Welcome to all on my YouTube channel Biology Twins, and today's our topic is respiration. So without wasting your time, let's jump over the video. First of all, definition of respiration. This is the process by which assimilated food is oxidized and energy is released, or simply we can call it the the process of breaking food into energy is called as respiration, and the energy released by the process of respiration is stored in the form of ATP molecules. And let's see some difference between breathing and respiration. Breathing is exchange of gases, and respiration is oxidation of food into energy. And breathing, energy is not released. In respiration, energy is released. Breathing is extracellular, and respiration is intracellular. And there is no enzyme take place in the process of breathing, and a set of enzymes are involved in respiration. Now let's see the type of respiration. Basically, there are two types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, the respiration in which food breaks into energy in the presence of oxygen. In aerobic respiration, the food goes into cytoplasm and by the glycolysis process break into pyruvic acid, and thereafter in the presence of oxygen in mitochondria, pyruvic acid breaks into C, C, CO2 plus 6H2O plus 38 ATP molecules. And second is anaerobic respiration, the respiration in which food breaks into energy in the absence of oxygen. First of all, in anaerobic respiration, food breaks into pyruvic acid, and the, the breaking of pyruvic acid into ATP differs from animals to animals. Let's see the breaking of pyruvic acid in yeast and in muscles of human. In yeast, pyruvic acid breaks into two molecules of C2H5OH, which is alcohol, and two CO2 molecule and two ATP molecules. And in human muscles, pyruvic acid breaks into lactic acid and two ATP molecules. Now let's see the difference in aerobic respiration and in anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, oxygen is required, and in anaerobic respiration, oxygen is not required. In aerobic respiration, end products are CO2 and H2O. In anaerobic respiration, end products are alcohol, CO2 or lactic acid. In aerobic respiration, 38 molecules of ATP are released by one molecule of glucose. And in anaerobic respiration, two ATP molecules are released by one molecule of glucose. And in aerobic respiration, complete oxidation of food takes place. In anaerobic respiration, incomplete oxidation of food takes place. Aerobic respiration is non-toxic for higher organisms, and anaerobic respiration is toxic for higher organisms. And let's come into a steps of respiration. Basically, there are three steps of respiration. External respiration, and this is exchange of gases between organism and environment. Internal respiration, this is exchange of gases between tissue and extracellular environment. And third is cellular respiration, this is oxidation of food into cells. And today we all learn about the definition of respiration, difference between breathing and respiration, and the process of aerobic and anaerobic respiration, and difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration, and at last we learn about three steps of respiration. And lot of thanks for watching. Bye bye.